So with the J channel, I could cut it right here and put a piece in, but that would look terrible and wouldn't be great for water. So I'm going to replace the entire piece. So I can take that off now. This is held on with roofing nails as well. And this side. There's another piece of something here that I'm just going to leave and put new J channel back where this one was. So just leave those nails, hammer them in after. See, it's all messed up here too. I'm just going to make sure all the nails are out of the way. So I'm going to do this piece of J channel. I have it upside down because I want the cut to be down this way, factory edge up this way. So I'll just put this down to where it's going to go, basically burying it in the mulch bed. And then just mark it. By the way, I want to mention, I am not at all a professional sider. So if you are, you probably have different tactics, but I am basically a DIYer. So I just know that what I do here is gonna look a lot better than what was here before. So, but it's up to you. This is a how I video, not a how to. Now I can cut this with some snips. Nice straight cut the front, cut the back, and the middle. Now I can sneak this up in here, go just like that. I can nail it into place. Make sure all that tie back is hidden. Good. I'm just going to use roofing nails. I like to go about every 12 inches or so. And with J channel, when it's vertical like this, I always like to put one right at the top like this in one of these slots so that it will prevent it from just falling down over the years. Just like siding, you are going to want this to move around a little bit, but you can nail this pretty tight compared to siding, which we'll get into in a little bit. You can see on this side, I'm just going even with this. So on this side, I'm just going to lift this siding back up, go behind here. I got that a little messed up. My original plan was to actually replace this because it's a different size J channel, but I think I can actually make this work. So I just need to kind of cut that tab a little bit and then I can slide this up in there. Why don't I just do it right now? Just cut this a little bit. And the thing that's really gonna stop the water from coming in here is this rain cap. And then the idea is that this right here, the rain will follow this and come down this piece. So what I have to do on this piece in order to get it up in there is to cut just a little channel like this. Cut that right out of there. Let's see if it'll go up. This is a little short for whatever reason. Working with J channel is not really the funnest, but if you compare that to other J channel on the house, I think it looks pretty good. So if you look over here on this side, the way that this is cut, when you slide this up in here, the water will follow that down this way and follow the J channel over the siding and hopefully right down to the ground with no issues. So now I'm going to hook on right here the kickboard. That's where I want that. And then I'm going to take my sample piece, put it where it's going to go to right about there. And then Measure 89 7/8. Okay, hook on here, and I'm gonna put the cut so it's down, 89 7/8. And then at the top, I'll cut this, kind of like that, and like that, just so I can get these snips in there. Feed it up in there.